Each NTP project will be allocated a project workspace. Stakeholders will be given access to this workspace, and it will form the focal point of the ongoing collaboration for the project. The important things to note about your collaborative workspace is the implementation schedule. This will be kept up to date with current progress on tasks, with percentage complete, etc. And likewise, this is reported back up through our KPI analysis to our NTP PMO office. We also have some other important tools. We have some project discussion areas where we keep our project discussions together, announcements where releases and other important information for stakeholders and team members will be released, and an issues register. The issues register is the location where we keep track of anything that's currently in trail with regard to the development process, and obviously anything that as a part of a UAT process is entered in as an issue by selecting the new button, etc. Something else which you'll note right on the front of the workspace is the availability of some documentation. Now, one of those is the Advanced Collaboration Methodology document, and that relates to some tools we use for interacting with stakeholders. And the other important document that's in the workspace is the NTP Project Management Methodology documentation. A brief run through of our project management methodology document will show that we've tried to keep the documentation as succinct as possible, but have enough detail to ensure that there's good governance for the project. You'll note that right up the top here we have a section which describes the project workspace and the various tools that will be used throughout the life of the project. We discuss the workspace, the groups, some custom lists, deliverables lists if there's still some analysis to go on as a part of the project implementation. Tasks lists, issues registers, document status reports, project timelines and how we report across those, the various phases that we use to identify our development cycles, and a discussion of our RAD process in detail, together with production release information and some project roles and responsibilities for team members and stakeholders throughout the life of the project. You'll also notice we discuss how we will be reporting across that project and the tools that are there, and some support information. So we have some pretty strict governance as regards how we intend to do our implementations, but at the same time we've tried to keep that nice and easy for everyone to understand and in a format that's easily used.